So this is how you make this cool highlight effect in Premiere Pro. So now in Premiere Pro I have this random picture from some book with some text on it, and I want to highlight a certain sentence from here. So the first thing we're gonna do is go to the left where your toolbar is and pick the rectangle tool. Now we want to make a shape that is around the length that your sentence is or whatever you want to highlight. So this should be good. Now in effect controls, make sure you are on your shape over here, and let's open it up by pressing this. And mine is already on yellow because I usually use yellow for this kind of highlights, but you can use whatever color you like. But if you want to use mine, the hex code is FFF600. Now we scroll down in effect controls, and then we see the blend mode. This is where we choose multiply. There it is. Okay, multiply. And now we can already see that we can see the original text and a kind of a highlight over here. Now we scroll up and we see vector motion, and this will show us that the anchor point is in the middle and we should put it in the beginning. And the reason for this is when we go to uniform scale and we untick this and we go to the scale width and make sure we are on the beginning where we want our animation to start. We press the scale width and write a 0 over here. And then we go forward where we want the animation to stop. Let's say we want our animation to stop here. Then we can start messing with this width, and let's see. It depends how long your text is. Mine should stop over here as we see in the picture. Like the sentence is full now. Now we can highlight the keyframes. Go over here, ease out and ease in. This makes sure it's smooth. And let's see how it is. Beautiful. Now if we want to have some texture, we can search for an effect called roughen edges. Let's throw that in, and this one gives us like this little up and down motion, makes it a little rough and nice. And yeah, you can mess with the settings, but I think the default one looks pretty good on this one. And to make this even better, we can highlight the clips, right click, press nest, okay, and then we can search for transform, put a transform in there. Untick this if you have it already, and then put the shadow angle to 360, and then scale and position. Then we can go forward and we can scale a little bit and put up, and we can go again, ease out and ease in. Let's put these keyframes a little forward, and look at that. That is nice. And there it is, a super easy highlight effect. If you want more of these tutorials, make sure you subscribe to the channel.